Hello, beautiful people, beautiful souls. Thank you for joining me. You are on the channel of the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. I'm here with you to do the third eye chakra reading, which is the reading I do every Saturday for this chakra to help bring it into greater alignment with its true evolutionary purpose. We will be taking one extra card to help it achieve this, and this card will be from the Galactic Chakra. So you may also find some of my other readings. I do a reading for when the moon changes signs about every 2.5 days, and I also do monthly readings, one for the full and the new moon, and one for when the sun changes signs. So those energies are pretty long lasting. So please look in my archive if you're interested in that. If you love books on tape, you'll love my readings. I just tend to focus on the oracle decks themselves. I love all the work coming from the authors. They've really put their heart and soul into these decks. So we will begin with a message from the sacred geometry cards for this chakra. And we do have the diamond mandala today, speaking to other dimensions. Let's see what our question is. It is, how can I be focused, determined, and receive guidance to realize my full potential? Whirling out from the womb of the cosmos, energy is the most basic stuff of creation. Every quark and molecule of humankind and of the entire multiverse consists of tiny packets of energy and light. The spirit or light body is spoken of in some ancient philosophies as the diamond soul, and is believed to be the eventual course of evolution for humanity as a whole. It is a multidimensional and holographic that could be pictured as your interdimensional passport. Meditate. Travel with this image to other dimensions and envision bringing forth your pure diamond light. This essence is the brilliant core of you that shines in love, compassion, fulfillment, and joy. The diamond soul is within you. As you bring it forward, it will put you on a path illuminated by your own inner radiance. Employ this card to journey to dimensions so brilliant that your heart bursts open in rapture. Sit in this bliss and soak up the light. Stir with your brilliance as long as you are able. Then slowly, consciously, return to your physical body in the here and now. When you return from this meditation, you may need some time to integrate the light that you now contain. Ask to assimilate this energy in a holistic manner so that you may make use of it in the highest and best manner possible. And let's see how much the accompanying message harmonizes with this one. The two cards visually are very copacetic, so I do encourage you to take some time to relax with the imagery presented. So our next card for our Galactic Chakra is Nothing Has Gone Wrong. An obstacle launches new loving requests. In the last few days, a change came out of the blue. It may have felt like your body and mind moved through a crack in reality, as if your life altered course so suddenly. deep within, you have been craving change, and the situation brings new and different experiences to your life. You may be feeling a little lightheaded and dazzled by the brilliance of this expanded version of you, but you are doing so well. It is now time to catch your breath and settle into your new outlook. This is an opportunity to look at your thoughts, ideas, and reactions to your potential success. As you become aware and implement change, you can rise above the limits people and situations have placed on you. This card depicts the trigram of the I Ching, the Book of Changes, with a yin-yang symbol. This is a symbol. This is a reminder that everything changes, that nothing can exist on our physical plane without its opposite, and nothing is superior to the other. You can't stop anything that has manifested, but you can serve as inspiration to create new paths aligned with your soul truth. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. I will be sharing the final reading for the week, which will be for the crown chakra tomorrow. So if you feel inclined, you are more than welcome to join me for that. Stay blessed, my friends. Thank you.